Oxygen gas that is available in water is called dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen is essential for creatures like fish and oysters, which extract oxygen from water using their gills. One of the things that defines a dead zone is an absence of dissolved oxygen. I'm here with some friends and they're going to show us how to test for dissolved oxygen in the water.
The first step is fill a small test tube with sample water. The second step is add 2 dissolved oxygen test tabs. We're going to make sure there's no air bubbles in the sample. Now we're going to mix. We're going to do this for about 4 minutes. We have just finished the 4 minutes. We have to compare this tube to the color. We can see that it's 4 ppm. That means that there's not that little but not too much oxygen in the water, so it's kind of in the middle.
Why is it important to know how much dissolved oxygen is in the water?
Without oxygen, animals can't live in the water.
Like we always hear about dead zones and algae growth. So if there's too much algae, so then the algae steals all the oxygen, and then the fish don't have anything. Now we're gonna test the same thing with you guys, but with a sensor, right? Okay.
So first, you stick that in water.
And it is reading at 4 milligrams over liters.
That is a lot of oxygen. It's really good. So that means there's a lot of animals living around here and not many decomposers.
That's good, and we all want lots of animals and organisms in our water, right? So it looks like our oxygen level is pretty good here.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you guys, thank you so much. And now I know how to measure dissolved oxygen.